My dear students of class 12, welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine. Dear students, I am Raghunath Boni, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, today I will discuss the basic concept of the central tendency from the chapter 3. Let's start our class. Dear students, in the case of ungrouped data, that means frequencies are not given. For example, of 10 marks of 5 students, 40, 50, 60, 60, 70. Let of 10 marks equal to x, arithmetic mean m or x bar equal to summation x by n, harmonic mean hm equal to n by summation I is equal to I by x, geometric mean gm equal to n log summation log x by n, or gm equal to x1 x2 dot dot xn whole to the power 1 by n. After arranging the given values in ascending order, median m equal to n plus 1 by 2 at item when n is odd, median m n by 2 at item plus n by 2 plus 1 item divided by 2 when n is even, mode equal to value of the repeated maximum time. Dear students, imaginary STEM 5, the often score of 10 students of a college are given 68, 70, 60, 64, 67, 50, 54, 60, 80, 74. Show relationship among arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Comment on the nature of the obtained score. Also, we know that test of sum of square of the deviation from the mean is the least. By using the given data, establish relationship summation xi minus x bar whole square less than summation xi minus a whole square. Find the value of the sum of the deviation from mean. Solution: let the obtained score x. We know am equal to summation x by n, gm equal to nt log summation log xi by n, and hm equal to n by summation 1 by x. Table for calculation: x equal to 68, 70, 60, 64, 67, 50, 54, 60, 80 and 74. Then sum total summation x equal to 647. Log x, log of 68 equal to 1.8325, 70 log x 1.8451, 60 against 1.7782, against 64 1.8062, 67 against 1.8260, 50 against 1.6990, 54 against 1.7324, 60 against 1.7783, 80 against 1.9031, and against of 74 1.8640. Now sum total of log x equal to 18.07. Now we can calculate 1 by x equal to 168 opposite 1 by 68 equal to 0.0147, opposite the 70 0.0143, opposite the 60 0.0167, opposite the 64 0.0156, opposite 67 0.0149, opposite 50 0.02, 54 0.0185, 60 0.0167, 80 opposite 0.0125, and last reciprocal of 74 0.0135. Then sum total of 1 by x equal to 0.1574. Now we can calculate arithmetic mean equal to m equal to 647 by 10 equal to 64.7. Geometric mean gm equal to nt log 1.07 by 10, nt log 1.807 equal to 64.12. Harmonic mean hm equal to 10 by 0.1574 equal to 63.53. since m equal to 64.7, gm equal to 64.12, and hm equal to 63.53. So m greater than gm is greater than hm. Question number D. Solution. By arranging the given scores in ascending order, we get 50, 54, 60, 60, 64, 67, 68, 70, 74, 80. Here total number of the observation n equal to 10, that is even. So median m equal to n by 2 at item plus n by 2 plus 1 item, 10 by 2 item, 10 by 2 plus 1 item, 5th item plus 6th item, 64 plus 67 by 2, 65.5. Since the given score 60 occurs maximum 2 times, so mode m equal to 60. Since median is greater than mode, so the distribution of the obtained scores is positively skewed. Now solution, we can the obtained scores x arithmetic mean equal to x bar equal to 68 plus 70 plus dot dot plus 74 by 10, 647 by 10 equals 64.7. Another values except arithmetic mean a equal to 68, 70, 60, 64, 67, 50, 54, 60, 80, 74. Now summation xi minus x bar whole square equal to 68 minus 64.7 square, 70 minus 64.7 square, plus 60 minus 64.7 square, plus 64 minus 64.7 square, plus 67 minus 64.7 square, plus 50 minus 64.7 square, plus 54 minus 64 minus 7 square, plus 60 minus 64.7 square, plus 80 minus 64.7 square, plus 74 minus 64.7 square, that's equal to 740.1. Now if any one value a equal to 60, then summation xi minus a whole square equal to 68 minus 60 whole square, 70 minus 60 whole square, 60 minus 60 whole square, 64 minus 60 whole square, 70 minus 60 whole square, 50 minus 60 whole square, plus 50 minus 60 whole square, plus 60 minus 60 whole square, plus 80 minus 60 whole square, plus 74 minus 70 square, there, that's equal to 961. Here we can write that summation xi minus x bar whole square less than summation xi minus a whole square. That is the sum of the scores of the deviation from mean is the least. The sum of the deviation from mean summation xi minus x bar equal to 68 minus 64.7 plus 70 minus 64.7, 60 minus 64.7, 64 minus 64.7, plus 70 minus 64 minus 0.7, plus 50 minus 64.7, plus 54 minus 64.7, 60 minus 64.7, plus 80 minus 64.7, plus 74 minus 64.7, that's mean equal to 0. In the group data, we can calculate arithmetic mean equal to m by x, m equal to summation fx by n, or x bar equal to for shortcut method a plus summation fi di by n into c. Geometric mean nt log summation fi log xi by n. Harmonic mean equal to n by summation fi by xi. Median m equal to l plus n by 2 minus fc by fm into c. And mode l plus del 1 by del 1 plus del 2 into c. Now we can calculate the stream class interval weight of stream gram 1 to 1, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of shrimp 7, 10, 18, 6, 5. This is the for group data. Now we can calculate from the stream, find the median and mode, explain the relationship between AM, GM and HM from the stream. Table for calculation: class 10 to 20, frequency 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, frequency 7, 10, 18, 6, 5, cumulative frequency 7, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 18, 35, 35 plus 6, 41, 41 plus 5, 46. median. Here n by 2 equal to 46 by 2 is 23. Here 23, the cumulative frequency is 35. That the class is 30 to 40. So the median class 30 to 40. Here L equal to 30, Fm equal to 18, and Fc equal to 17. C, the difference between two class 10. So median M equal to L plus N by 2 minus Fc by Fm into C. Then the final putting the value, the formula, then the final result 33.33. And mode equal to L plus del 1 by del 2 plus del 1 divided del 1 plus del 2 multiple C. Here model class 30 to 40, the highest frequency is 18, so model class 30 to 40, L 30, C 10, del 1 model class frequency minus pre-model class frequency, that means 18 minus 10 equal to 8, del 2 18 minus 6 equal to 12. Now putting the value, then the mode is 34. Question number D, table for calculation, class frequency mid value fi xi log summation fi log xi fi by xi. Class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, frequency 7, 10, 18, 6, 5, n equal to 46, mid value, the lower limit of the class and upper of the class summation, and then divided by 2, that means 15, and class interval 10, adding serially 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then multiple fi xi and summation fi xi equal to 15, 30, log xi, then multiple fi, then the sum total fi log xi 68.62, summation fi divided xi, then finally summation fi xi equal to 1.6052. Arithmetic mean m equal to summation fi xi by n equal to 15, 30 by 46 equal to 33.26. Geometric mean gm equal to anti-log summation fi log xi by n, that means anti-log 68.62 by 46 equal to anti-log 1.49 equal to 31.03. And harmonic mean hm equal to n by summation fi by xi equal to 46 by 1.6052 equal to 28.66. Explain. Since am equal to 33.26, gm 31.03, and hm 21.66, so am greater than gm is greater than hm, which is the relationship between am, gm and hm from the STEM. Dear students, this is our last format. Correct mean incorrect summation xi equal to nx bar, since x bar equal to summation xi by n. Correct summation xi equal to incorrect summation xi minus wrong data plus correct data. Correct mean x bar equal to summation correct summation xi by n. Combine arithmetic mean x bar equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Imaginary STEM 7, the average weight of 20 students of business studies group is 55 kg, but the weight of the student of business studies group was written 25 kg instead of 52 kg. The average weight of 24 students of science group is 58 kg. There is no mistake in this case. Find the actual average weight for the students of the business studies groups. Determine the combined arithmetic mean of the students of two groups and comment. C. Let the number of students of business studies group is n and average weight x bar. Given n is equal to 20, x bar 55. Incorrect summation x equal to n x bar 20 plus 55 equal to 1100. Correct summation xi, incorrect summation xi minus 25 plus 52. 1100 minus 25 plus 52 equal to 1127. Actual average weight of the students x bar equal to correct summation xi by n, 1127 by 20 is 56.35. Number D, given n1 equal to 20, n2 24, x1 bar 56.35, x2 bar 58. Combine arithmetic mean x bar equal to n1 x1 power plus n2 x2 power divided by n1 plus n2 20 plus 56.35 plus 24 plus into 55.8 20 plus 24 equal to 25.19 by 44 equal to 57.25. Comment: the combined arithmetic mean of the students of two groups is greater than the average weight for the students of business studies group but less than average weight for the students of science group. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand my video. Now, dear students, you watch the video attentively. If you face any problem, then discuss with me. So dear students, thanks to all. Goodbye.